Here are 10 phrasal verbs with get to use in conversation. Get up. Get up. To rise from bed or a sitting position. Example: I usually get up at 6 a.m. every morning. Get on. Get on. To go onto a bus, train, aircraft, or boat. Example: let's get on the train before it leaves. Get off. Get off. To leave a train, bus, or aircraft. Example: please get off the bus at the next stop. Get in. Get in. Get in is used for cars, vans, and trucks. Example: get in the car, we're running late. Get out. Get out. To leave a closed vehicle, building, etc. Example: let's get out of here before the party gets too crowded. Get by. Get by. To be able to live or deal with a situation with difficulty. Example: it's tough to get by on such a low income. Get along. Get along. To have a good relationship with someone. Example: I get along with my coworkers very well. Get over. Get over. To recover from an illness or emotional distress. Example: it took her a long time to get over the flu. Get around. Get around. To move from one place to another. Example: in the city, it's easy to get around using public transportation. Get ahead. Get ahead. To be successful in the work that you do. Example: if you work hard, you can get ahead in your career.